Today I'm at Warung Suriname. And what I'm visiting today is Warung Saeri. I just ordered some Japanese ramen. Now I'm waiting for my order. Look at this. And also I'm thinking of getting these because it has a crown on it. And I'm freaking cool. These are kind of cute, but I don't know what it does. So, shopping in the Suriname store. This is what Suriname stores look like. Yes, in case you were wondering, this is the ladies' part areas and the diaper areas. Don't make kids in these times if you can't afford it, because you see these prices. Suriname people, that's a lot. I mean, if you had a kid and after that you have to buy these combined with these, the cheapest. This think about noodles. I should have made sure I got noodles. With noodles. Noodles. Look at this simple. On today's vlog, I'm bringing you on all my shopping adventures. Yeah. Bless you. Yeah, that seems good.
Okay.
Just take what's enough. We're taking care. Yeah. Get all the card here. Let's go. We got more stores to visit, but today I've been on a shopping spree. See what shopping is like. Hey, Suriname supermarkets. This is the famous finest stuff in Suriname. Yes, flowers. Kids. This one would. The Hawaiian. You guys have an idea how bland or fashion it is. Like these shorts. That's bad, that's nice. See how big these Chinese supermarkets are. For Xbox and everything. Oh, fishing rods. Plates too? Shall we select a cute looking plate? Shall we look for a cute plate? So buy films like this, put my pictures and the grease in it. Yeah, plate. That's the kitty toy aisle. Yeah. I love the pink bowl. I definitely want one of the pink bowl and the golden bowl. Complete my set with food and snacks. I like the yellow bowl. Still, put this up back. They also have to. And I want a pink one. Yellow and a pink one. Okay, I can put both of here. This is a good for cake stand now in the here decorative plate. I like this pink too. It's super cute. Yo, still, this could be a nice one for the vlog too. Look out, this one's glass. Take these three. A big one with a rose print, but they didn't put the price. Oh yeah, here.
45. What you hold it? Foot?
Vlog. There's no place like home.
Plate alin.
Yeah, for soup. I'll make soup recipes and put it in. That means you guys have to watch my vlog now because I'm getting all these cute platewares that y'all can enjoy my content even more. This is like a Suriname flower that you see often. So I think that this one would be pretty flower. A beautiful and simple life. They misspelled simple though. But I like it. I think that's it for me. From all the places we've seen here, I might go to places where I can find cuter plates. Look! I I guess you can rotate. Need my bun for the vlog. Oh. Easy. I don't know who you want to chop off.
Me? You said 150.
Knife hunting too. Oh, this is 6-piece knife set. Cute. Thank you all. To the next shopping spree. After this, yes. Just in case you're wondering, that's about $1 US. Nice watches. I thought there was a guy sitting there with the mannequin. Now I gotta go. Oh, that's a cute outfit. The black artificially thing. Very cute. It's not bad either. Like it. Oh, look at this cute panda. I want to take all the fluffies along with me, including the unicorn. Oh my gosh, did I see correct? An elephant with a crown and a freaking cute pinky unicorn. Look, each one is even more pretty. Aww. Bags. Okay. And that's the Indra Gandhi. And now we gotta leave. So, Michelle, Indra Gandhi was really dark area. Right now we're at the Denello's. It's a famous food spot right here. So, yeah. Let's see what they have to offer. Takeout service. There's the number if you guys need it. Right here is right now we're just waiting on our order. Just ordered. It's been a long day, hasn't it? But I'm used to long days. I think I like doing these vlog videos for you guys. I'll be doing more in the future and bringing you on more of my adventures all around the country. So make sure you subscribe, like, and subscribe. And I'll show you Suriname. You haven't barely begun to see the tip of Suriname. There's so many fun places we can still go to. You see these awesome granite stones? You can find them everywhere in this country. We're rich in natural resources, and this is one of the things we're rich in. Taking out to the Indra Gandhi because why not? It's a famous thorough gold here in Suriname. Whenever you're on vacation, I definitely pass it. Oh, look, this is a golf club. I wrote a blog article about this. If you want to find out more about golf club, visit my guys, this is the food that we got for today. This is their chicken burger. Looks nice. And you guys know this combination of patat shawarma and chicken. And soon I'll be refilling my shopping haul for the day. Yum. Okay guys, I'm going to taste test the burger for you guys right now. Let's see what it tastes like. We got some fries under it. It definitely tastes good. I like the sauces. So now we're gonna have the chicken shawarma fries. I like the sauce. I also like the syrup. Then it's me. I like all food that's good. This food is good. Let me know. I love that they put big chunks of chicken in the shawarma. This is all chicken with sauce. Take a look at the barbecue chicken. Something else I want to show you guys. Got this cute little golden lighter in the store. And look how it looks. Cool, huh? This is for mosquitoes, cause right here where I live in South America, there's a lot of mosquitoes. Be aware of that when you come over. This is some of the stuff that I bought. I bought this tray because it looks so gorgeous and I wanted to get this. I bought this red rose incense stick because it smells nice. Crayons and coloring pencils to fuel my creativity because my little brother makes fun of me because I got those. The shallow plate that I absolutely love. This lip buffer in the shower. This pink, how do you say it in English? You guys know what I mean. Face mask. This pink face mask because they're cute. I got this soup bowl because it has a cute rose on it and I absolutely love roses. I got this plate because it looks cute and it has a beautiful flower on it and it reminds me of a Surinamese flower called the Angalambu and I love that flower.